is blood relations. Are you understanding, everybody? So let's try to do this topic. This topic is very important. This topic is very important from reasoning point of view. This topic is very important from reasoning point of view. Is that okay, everybody? Yes. Now, yes, many companies gives this kind of questions. Now, what is blood relations and what are the kind of questions you're gonna have? Okay, let's try to concentrate, everybody, now here. Yes, here we are supposed to learn. First of all, we are supposed to learn the 5 generations. Remember, this is a logical things. Okay, let me just try to show you 5 generations. The first generation, you have grandfather. The first generation, you have grandfather and you have grandmother. Remember, students, everybody, grandfather, who is grandfather, father's father, and who is grandmother, mother's mother, and who is, like a grandfather, he can be mother's father also. But we will give one word, paternal. Paternal. Paternal is nothing but father side, and maternal is nothing but mother side. Paternal, maternal. This is the only small change. Are you understanding, everybody? Paternal and maternal. Paternal, Patenal. Okay. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to go with the second generation. In the second generation, we have father, we have mother, we have uncle, we have aunt. Father, mother, and uncle, aunt, these people come in our generation. Are you understanding, everybody? Don't forget this. I hope you're listening very clearly. Now you have to remember this. Okay. Now let's try to go with the third generation. The third generation is nothing but it's me, it's I, it's me. And that after that, my brother is there and my sister. Okay, these are nothing but siblings. Brothers and sisters are said to be what? Siblings. Are you understanding, everybody? So just try to revise all these things in your brain. If you are in front of me in the classroom, you will definitely shout. But here you have to just memorize all these things. Okay, let me just try to teach you all these things once again. My father's father. Who is father's father? In short words, tell me who is that? Grandfather. My father's mother, in short, you should remember in your brain saying what? Grandmother. Okay, everybody. My mother's mother, grandmother. Just try to revise all these things in your brain. You're shouting, I'm shouting, you should listen all that. Now, next one. What is the next one here? My mother's father. My mother's father is what? Grandfather. So these are the things. But you all know that. My father also have brothers. Am I right? So father's brother. Who is father's brother? Uncle. We call him as uncle. If your father have a sister in your brain, what do you call it here? Aunt. Are you understanding? But who is paternal uncle? Who is paternal uncle? Paternal uncle is what? My father's side. My father's brother is paternal uncle. If I call who is maternal uncle, you must say the maternal uncle is nothing but my mother's brother. I think you all people are understanding and listening very carefully. The next one. If your mother have a brother, that is maternal uncle. Okay, mother, sister, maternal aunt. Are you understanding, everybody? So after that, it's our generation, you people, you, your brother and your sister. Okay, just like you people belonging to your father, your mother, don't you think your uncle, aunt also have their children? Yes. Who is uncle's son? We call it as cousin. Bolo, who is uncle's son? We call it as cousin. So don't forget all these things. Are you understanding? Uncle and aunt's children are nothing but they are cousins. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to move forward. Okay. Now, so I believe that you all people are revising all these things once again. Bolo, father's father. Who is father's father? Grandfather. Father's mother? Grandmother. Father's brother? Uncle. Father's brother? Uncle. That uncle's son? Cousin. Uncle, son, cousin. I hope you all people are understanding this. Okay, now listen all the things very carefully. Let's try to move forward now. After this, okay, what is the next generation? That is the fourth generation. Okay, you must know that it's you. When you're getting married, you'll get a wife. If you're a boy, you get a wife. If you're a girl, you'll get a husband. So a common word what we give to them is what? Spouse. बोलो क्या बोलेंगे हम उसको? Spouse. A common word what we give to wife and husband is nothing but spouse. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Okay, now clear. Very good students, you all people are learning. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, you're answering, that's good. Okay, bolo, father's father, that is grandfather. Father's brother, uncle. Uncle's son, cousin. Aunt's son, cousin. Uncle's daughter also cousin. Aunt's daughter also cousin. Uncle's children are cousin. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? That's good. Okay, now let me just try to ask you. Okay, what do you get next after wife? What will you get? Tell me. I want in the chat box, please tell me what you'll get after that. Not come. What you'll get along with your wife? After wife, you'll get father-in-law. Then mother-in-law. I hope children, Usha, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Okay, clear. So we have Rahul is saying we will have children. That's true. That's true. But after wife, now you'll get father-in-law, mother-in-law, not children. You're getting married, you're getting children. How is it possible? Right? After getting married, you'll get whom? Father-in-law, mother-in-law. चलिए कोई बात नहीं. So where is that father-in-law? Not in my generation, not in our generation. He will be above generation, like my father, brother. So remember everybody, children, children बोल रहे हो, बहुत जल्दी है, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. पहले फादर इन लॉ मदर इन लॉ के दर्शन कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो हु इज फादर इन लॉ? My wife, father. Who is mother-in-law? My wife, mother. Same fashion from girl side. Okay, now husband father is also father-in-law. Husband mother is also mother-in-law. Are you understanding, everybody? Now, very good. Okay, yes. Why law? Because in law, in constitution, you'll write down na, after getting married in a certificate, that isn't from law, they are their father, not from your husband, neighbors, from law. Okay, so if your wife have a brother, we call brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Okay, if your wife have a sister, we have sister-in-law. Are you understanding, everybody? So we have all these things. Are you understanding? Every wife, brother, brother-in-law, wife, sister, sister-in-law. I hope you all people are understanding. You'll get son, you'll get daughter. Following, everybody? You have your son, you have your daughter. Happy now? Now let's see. Just like you have your son, you have your daughter. Do you think your brother and sister also have their children? Yes, definitely. Just like your son, your daughter, your brother's son, nephew, your brother's daughter, niece. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. So this is your children, these are your sisters and brothers' children. A boy is nothing but a new nephew. A girl is nothing but a niece. These are not your children, these are your brothers and sisters' children. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Chaliye, let's try to move forward, everybody. Prachi copied. That's good. Okay. Now, what comes next is what you people directly say grandson. I know that you are very fast. Okay, you'll say grandson, but your son should get married first. I hope you all know that. Your son get married, so you call daughter-in-law. We call what? Daughter-in-law. If your son is getting married, you call daughter-in-law. If your daughter is getting married, you'll get son-in-law. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Let's try to move forward. The last one is nothing but grandson, granddaughter. गैस मेरे कॉलोनी में कोरोना पॉजिटिव पेशेंट आया. पेशेंट, ही इज अ ओल्ड फेलो. उनके फैमिली को मतलब Okay, I'm sorry. I just muted. Okay, I just muted over there. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that, students. Okay, yeah, I have just muted there. Okay, clear. Now I think it's clear. Now the voice is clear. I have just muted that one. Okay, yes, yes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. कान पकड़ रहा हूँ अभी देखो. Okay, now father's father is grandfather. Father's mother is grandmother. Father's brother is uncle. Father's sister is what? Aunt. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to move forward. Same fashion. Mother's father is grandfather. Mother's mother is grandmother. Mother's brother is uncle. Mother's sister is aunt. Are you understanding, everybody? Now let's try to move forward, everybody. Here, let's try to move forward. Now here, my uncle's son, that is cousin. My aunt's son, cousin. Remember, uncle's son is cousin and aunt's son is cousin. Don't forget all that. And your brother's son, nephew. Your brother's son, nephew. Your brother's daughter, niece. Your brother's daughter, niece. Same fashion, your sister. Your sister. Let's try to go and talk to your sister. Your sister's son, nephew. Your sister's daughter, niece. Don't forget all that. Okay. Now let's try to move forward here. Your son's son, huh? Your son. It's you, and your son's son. Who is your son's son? Grandson. Okay. Your son's daughter is what? Granddaughter. Are you understanding, everybody? Your son's daughter is what? Granddaughter. Don't forget all these things. Shall we move forward, everybody? Let's try to move forward now. Okay. Now. So I believe that, okay, everybody have understood my question. How is my brother's father's daughter related to me? Okay, all these questions you have to start from here. Where? From my. Don't forget all these things. Remember, everybody, students, all these things you have to start from where? My. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. What he said that my brother's father. Don't see anything else. You just try to tell me my brother's father. In short, you club these two. We have learned the basics. My brother's father. Bolo, who is my brother's father? Father. Okay, yes, that's good. Okay, my brother's father is nothing but father. Instead of these two words, I can simple say my father. Okay, everybody, clear? Some people are answering the question, but I don't want the answer. Even Rakesh Naidu, Aishwarya, Jyotsna, I don't want the answer. Das, I don't want the answer. Just listen, everybody. It's my duty to make you understand. Everybody who is coming from basics, first you listen now this question. Okay, now my father's, no, my brother's father. Okay, clear? My brother's father. Who is my brother's father? Is it very clear to you? My brother has a father. It's father. Now you read now. My father's brother. You all know that my father has a brother, so we have learned that my father's brother. Could you please tell me who is my father's brother? Who is my father's brother? My father. Are you understanding? Clear? So who is my father's brother? My uncle. Following, everybody? I reread once again. My brother's father is my father. My father's brother is my uncle. Now come here. My uncle's father. So you all know that this is the way we are supposed to do it. My uncle's father. Who is my uncle's father? My uncle's father is grandfather. My uncle's father is grandfather. So what I am doing, students, so I am removing all these things. I am removing all these things. Instead of all these things which I am hiding you, instead of that I can say my grandfather. Following, everybody? You all tell me. My grandfather's daughter. Not my father's daughter, my grandfather's daughter. Who is my grandfather's daughter? You tell me, who is my grandfather's daughter? My grandfather's daughter is nothing but my aunt. My grandfather's daughter is nothing by what? My aunt. So all these things we can say my aunt. Following, everybody? All these things we can say my aunt. Now reread once again. My aunt's daughter. My aunt's daughter. So all these things. My aunt's daughter. My aunt's daughter is nothing but cousin. My aunt's daughter is nothing but cousin. So whatever I have striked in all these things, I can say cousin. Now read the question. What did he say in the question? How is my cousin related to me? How is my cousin related to me? How is my cousin related to me? My cousin will be cousin to me. So many people have given the wrong answer. Uncle, aunt, grandfather, aunt, something you told. Okay, but the best answer is what? Cousin. Yes, Sumant King, you are answering all these things, but your answer I will not care. Remember, your answers I will not care, because I know that all you people are nothing you know about the topic. How is my brother's mother's husband's father related to me? Chaliye students, clear? Now, these kind of models are very commonly given models. Okay, now what we all need to do, I don't want your answer, sir. Keep that answers with you only. Okay, we have to do from my. Bolo, from where we are supposed to do my. Let's try to have here my brother's mother. Your brother has a mother. खून बहुत गर्म नजर आ रहा है. Cousin Aishwarya, that's good. As my is not available, the word my is not available, we are supposed to do from Shanti. चलिए शांति से काम चलाते हैं. Now you all know that. Nephew Aniket, क्या हो गया तुमको? Answer is wrong. Okay, now yes, Sweta, are you answering? Swapna, are you answering? Have a look, everybody. Now Akhila, just try to listen now. Okay, Shanti is, like, you tell me, Shanti is son. Her son. Her son's father. Shanti is a woman. Her son has a father. So instead of these two words, you can say husband. Instead of these two words, you can say what? Husband. Shanti's husband. So keep this in your brain. Okay, keep this in your brain. Usha, you're right. Okay, her husband. Shanti's husband's father-in-law. Not her father. Her husband's father-in-law. Shanti have got husband. Her husband, father-in-law is who? Shanti's father. Her husband's father-in-law is Shanti's father. So all these things we can remove. Instead of all these things, we can say Shanti's father. We can say Shanti's father. Shanti's father. Shanti's father. In your brain, Shanti's father. Shanti's father's son. Shanti's father's son. Who is Shanti's father's son? Tell me, who is Shanti's father's son? Shanti or her brother? Her brother. Because Shanti have got father, son will be brother. So this everything is gone. Brother. Shanti's brother's son. This everything is brother. Remember in your brain. Shanti's brother's son. When Shanti's brother's son is what? Shanti's nephew. Shanti's nephew. Shanti's nephew. Shanti's nephew. All these things which I have striked is what? Her nephew. Her brother's son is nephew. Are you understanding, everybody? Sohel, that's good. Okay. Harshad, okay. Now, Shanti's nephew. How is Shanti's nephew related to her son? How is Shanti's nephew related to her son, Shanti? So these two children are what? Cousins. Okay, clear? These two children are what? Cousins. I believe that you are doing wonderful with these things. They are saying to cousins to each other. How is that boy related to Shanti? That boy is a nephew to Shanti. But we want Shanti's son. Okay, clear? So I believe that you people have done this question, you have understood. Now, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब 2 minute, 2 minute. Your time starts now. You can see the screen. 2 minute, 3 questions. Me that you all people have got it. CBA, CDA, CBA. One person is saying CBA, Harshad, and everybody is saying CBD, Aishwarya. Some people are saying Chennai. Some people are saying Bangalore. Some people are saying Delhi. Good. Okay, now, okay, so I don't think so. First one you have a doubt, everybody. First one you have a doubt. There is no doubt in the first one. Still, I'll help you. Every question we are supposed to do from my. As I told you, the basics. Okay, the first model we are doing. Now, let's try to see, everybody. My sister's father. My father. My father's sister. My aunt. My aunt's son. My cousin. Very simple question, sir. How is my cousin related to me? और क्या रहेगा? Simple cousin. Following Vishwajit, बहुत late आ गए हो तुम. Okay, now let's try to move forward. Second one. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Second one. What is said in here? Ishwar. The word my is not available. Here my is available, do from my, but here Ishwar. Okay. Now let's try to move forward. Ishwar's cute little sister. Well, what will happen? Ishwar's cute little sister means nothing else. Ishwar's sister only. Clear? He told you cute little, bahut ho gaya. Okay. Ishwar's cute little sister is Ishwar's sister. Ishwar's sister's father. Ishwar's sister's father. Her sister's father is father only, na? Clear? So everything is gone father. Ishwar's father. Ishwar's father's wife. सोचो क्या हो सकता है? Father's wife. Do you all think father's wife is mother? Are you sure? Yes, father's wife. I also got right. Okay, you also got right. Mother, mother, mother. Ishwar mother's brother. Ishwar's uncle, Ishwar's uncle, Ishwar's uncle, Ishwar's uncle's wife. Ishwar's aunt, Ishwar's aunt, Ishwar's aunt, Ishwar aunt's son. Ishwar's cousin, Ishwar's cousin, Ishwar's cousin. Now, you all things are done. How is Ishwar's cousin related to Ishwar? That is also cousin. Okay, so many people have a doubt in the last one. Last one you might have a doubt. Everybody, Manikanta, you got the fifth one is A, mother. Are you sure? Yes. Last people are saying this is the answer. This is not the answer, students. When you just try to move forward, you'll understand all that. Just try to listen now. My, from where you are supposed to do, as you have done here also from my, here you have done from Ishwar, here also you are doing from my. Let's try to do everybody once again. Ishwar, mother's brother. Ishwar's mother's brother. So this everything I am doing, instead of that I can say Ishwar's uncle. Ishwar's mother's brother, not Ishwar's brother. Ishwar's mother's brother is uncle. Okay, everybody. Her uncle's only sibling. I told you, students. I told you the basics. You look at that. Who are siblings? Brothers and sisters are siblings. Who are siblings in the basics? Brothers and sisters. Now tell me, how is my mother's brother? How is my mother's brother? Who is my mother's brother? Uncle. My uncle's only sibling. My uncle's only sibling. Who is my uncle's sibling? Uncle's sibling is back to my mother. बुद्धि भ्रष्ट हो गई है. फिर से पढ़ाता हूं. Now, how is my mother's brother? My mother's brother is my uncle. My uncle. How is my uncle's only sibling? My uncle's only sibling is my mother only. Because my mother and my uncle are siblings to each other. Are you understanding, everybody? I repeat once again. My mother's brother is my uncle. My uncle's only sibling is back to my mother. Back to my mother. So how is my mother related to me? How is my mother related to me? Answer is mother. Small question, twisted question, confusing question. Are you understanding, everybody? Now let's try to move forward. I'm gonna teach you all that once again. How is my, same question, mother's brother only sibling related to me? This is what the question. अब हम आपको चित्र उतार के बताएंगे. This is me. Are you understanding, everybody? Try to understand that this is me. My mother's brother. Who is my mother's brother? My uncle. My mother's brother. My mother's brother is my uncle. My uncle's only sibling. Only sibling means, some people misunderstand sibling means children. That's the reason some people got wrong. Okay, everybody. My mother's brother is my uncle. My uncle's only sibling is back to my mother. These are siblings to each other. Only one sibling, that is my mother. Understood, everybody? So the prashna is, how is my mother related to me? How is my mother related to me? I hope you have understood this confusing question. So I have cleared all that. Are you understanding, everybody? Chalo, chalo, chalo. We are learning very good and we are happy to learn all these things. Following. Now, this model of questions are over. Now I have to change the model. Now, students, I'm changing the model. Everybody try to listen how to do the next model, everybody. Here. Now, here, this kind of model is given to you. Sir, there are 5 members in a family. So this model is nothing but tree method. Everybody. Okay, in this tree model, we are supposed to draw the tree, a family tree. Following everybody? Now, yes, Shivani, welcome Shivani. Shivani is a new student today. Okay, so let's do welcome her. I'm doing. Okay, you also do it. Okay, now let's try to move forward everybody. आगे बढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं क्या बोल रहा है. What is he saying now? Okay, what is he saying now? There are 5 members in a family. How many members in a family? 5 members in a family. Okay, so when 5 people are there, you cannot do on fingertips. You have to draw one tree. So we are doing a form of tree. Following everybody? Now let's try to move forward everybody. What is said in the first line? A is the son of B, comma, who is the daughter of E. C is nothing. C is the sister of A and also daughter of D. So like this, a couple of statements will be given to you. Okay, this model is second model of blood relation. Are you understanding everybody? Chaliye, let's try to move forward student. I am gonna show you a bigger questions like this. कौन करेगा ये big questions? हम करेंगे. This is a second model. This question I want you to do it here only. I will teach you to do this question. This question you are supposed to do it at home. Second model we are moving into second model. If you have a patience to listen for this, definitely we will move forward. Are you understanding everybody? These are little bigger questions and commonly given questions. समझ में आ रहा है? I think yes. Let's try to move forward and learn the basics everybody. Here 5 people are there. Before we learn these basics, okay, now before we learn these basics, I want to ask you one thing that, okay, I'm going to ask you one thing that here. Raju is a friend of Rahim. Raju is a friend of Rahim and is an engineer. Bolo babu, who is an engineer? Who is an engineer in this thing? Raju is a friend of Rahim and is an engineer. Fatafat jaldi batao. Who is an engineer here? Raju is a friend of Rahim and is an engineer. This is an English knowledge. I want to test you. I want your answer. Very good, Bhuvan Kumar. Very good, Sujita. You must understand very properly. Raju is a friend of Rahim and the word I'm shouting, you can just try to listen everybody. And is an engineer. Whenever we are talking about and, we are talking about the first fellow. Remember, English reading is problem some people do have. Understood everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward everybody. I'm giving the same statement once again. Raju is a friend of Rahim, comma, who is an engineer. Okay, clear? Who is an engineer? पता नहीं engineer की spelling क्यों नहीं आ रही है? ENGINER. Okay, now you all tell me here. Raju is a friend of Rahim, comma, who is an engineer. Are you understanding everybody? So this kind of statement is given to you. Oh, Vinendra, you are getting Rahim? Are you sure? Yes. So remember students, whenever he gonna give you who, whenever he gonna give you who is an engineer, the engineer is nothing but the immediate before fellow. Immediate before fellow. Never forget that. So these kind of common basics. Yes, Josna, you're right. Yes, Das, you're also right. Okay. So remember this common reading problem. Many people don't have a knowledge of this thing. Yes. Clear? So I'm moving forward. Balchandra Reddy. Definitely this is before who? Same person. When and comes, we are talking about the first fellow. Over basics are over. Let's try to go and check it out everybody. Let's try to go in and check it out everybody. A simple question is given to you. I'm removing all that. Now, chaliye. Now, first statement. Listen everybody. First statement I'm telling you. A is son of B. Stop it. Stop it. Arey, don't read all. If you read all, you will be confused. Stop there only. Stop there only. Read this much. बहुत हो गया. Just read this much. A is son of B. Stop it there only. Now, this information I am supposed to draw in the form of a tree. A is son of B. A is son of B. A is son of B. First you put B. I know I'm shouting repeatedly to make you understand where you have to stress. A is son of B. A is son of B. I'm writing B here. I'm reading B here. Now you tell me who is it? A. A is son. Nothing but son will be not above generation. Son will be below generation. That's it. Over everybody, slow and steady wins the race. बड़े लोगों ने बताया, मैं भी follow कर रहा हूँ, तुम भी follow करो. A is son of B. A is son of B. That's it. Following everybody, son will be below generation. Okay. Comma. Who is a daughter of E? Who is a daughter of E? Who is a daughter of E? Whenever who comes, I told you we are referring nothing but we are just trying to tell you immediate before fellow. Who? B is a daughter of E. Remember, B is a daughter of E. B, you're a daughter of E. A is a son of B, comma, B is a daughter of E. Understanding everybody? So this is the way where I am writing to you. Okay. Now let's try to move forward. That's good. Okay. आ गया सुभाष्मिता husband. अरे ठहरो अभी रहने दो. Okay. Just try to listen to you things first of all. Don't interrupt. Okay. Now listen everybody. I know that Subhashmita is a champion for today. Okay. But listen here. Okay. Next one. C is sister of A. No. You might be thinking no. Don't read this. Let's try to go with the first statement. First statement is not still over. Let me just try to tell you the first statement. Okay, listen. A is son of B. A is son of B. A is son. Son means male, na? We are putting one line for a male. Remember, we are denoting one line for a what? Male. And two lines we just try to give for a female. And two lines we are giving for a female. Are you understanding everybody? First you follow instructions how to do it. Answer is not at all important. Okay, answer is not at all important, sir. How we draw that matters. Understood everybody? Spouse, husband, फिर वो how to differentiate male and female. That's very simple. Just try to keep one line that is male. Okay, just try to keep one line that is male. If you keep two lines, that's the female. Okay, now let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward now. Okay, now what is said that A is son of B over, and what is said that B is the daughter of E. B is a female daughter of E. Are you understanding everybody? Chaliye. Now let's try to move forward everybody. Second statement I am reading. C is sister of A. Listen very carefully students. Some people are interrupting with the answers. Please try to follow the question first. Okay. Now C is sister of A. Where is it sister? C is sister of A. Do you think sister will be above generation, below generation, or same generation? Same generation. Same generation. Who is this? C. C is sister. C is sister of A. C is sister of A. Are you understanding everybody? C is who? C is sister of A. Half cup sister. Two lines. Two lines for the female. And what the word he has given to you students? And so whenever we are calling about and, you should know that. And daughter of D. Bolo, who is daughter of D? C is the sister of A and the daughter of D. Who is daughter of D? C only. C, you are not only sister of A and you are daughter of D also. You are female. You are daughter of D. You are daughter of D. D will be above. Following everybody? This is the way we are supposed to do it. Following everybody? Now, these are siblings. She is mother. These are children. She is mother. And this C is a daughter of D. D cannot be mother once again. D has to be father. Male fellow. I am just trying to put one line for a male fellow. Are you understanding everybody? Now you all know that. Here, who are wife and husband? This two are wife and husband. Father, mother, wife and husband. So wife and husband must always be kept in a box. Wife and husband must always be kept in what? Box. Are you understanding everybody? Is it clear so far? Is it clear so far? Over. My tree is ready. Look at the tree. Look at the tree everybody. What is at that line? How is Delhi related to Bangalore? Sir, not Bangalore related to Delhi. Listen carefully. Delhi related to Bangalore. Let's try to go and come across. How is Delhi related to Bangalore? How is this Delhi related to Bangalore? Delhi is the husband of Bangalore. How is Delhi related to Bangalore? Husband. Subhashmita, answer is right, but this is not the time to say the answer. Delhi. Are you understanding, everybody? How is Delhi related to Bangalore? Delhi is the husband of Bangalore. Question change. Sir, how is Bangalore, sir? How is Bangalore related to Delhi? How is Bangalore related to Delhi? Wife. Question change now. Who is the grandson of E? Who is the grandson of E? A. Who is the grandson of E? A. If I ask you, who is the granddaughter? Daughter, female granddaughter. Are, who is the married couple? Look at the box. BD. That's it. Following, everybody. But the question is, how is E related to A? Grandfather or grandmother? The gender is not given in this question. That gender is not given. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is the way we have to follow. Don't forget this who and. Many people are confused. Okay. That's good. Now, let me just try to teach you one more question. Everybody just try to listen that. We don't have that much of time like a, like this thing. Let's try to move forward, everybody. First one. I'm teaching you different question, but same concept. Okay. Listen, everybody. C is sister of A. C is sister of A. Of A. C is sister of A. I'm writing A here. I'm writing A here. C is sister of A. Of A. Sister. Sister. Above, below, or same? Same. C is sister, female. Over. I'm slowly drawing, everybody. Listen, everybody. C is sister of A. Bangalore is daughter of A. Bangalore is daughter. Daughter means below. Bangalore is daughter. Bangalore is daughter of A. Bangalore is daughter of A. Female. C is sister of A. Bangalore is daughter of A. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to move forward. Now, England is sister of Chennai. England is the sister of Chennai. Chennai. England is a sister of Chennai. Very clearly it's done. Next one. Now, bro, sir, bro. Rahul, bro. Listen, everybody now. Last one. D. D is brother of Bangalore. D is brother of Bangalore. Okay. D is brother of Bangalore. D is brother of Bangalore. Okay, D is brother of Bangalore. Okay, I have done a mistake somewhere. Yeah. C is brother of A. Brother means male. Oh, Rahul, तुम bro बोल रहे हो. यही है ना तुम्हारा bro. देखो तुम्हारा bro बन गया है अभी. खत्म हो गया. This is the mistake I did. Everybody, students. It's not female. It's a male. C is a brother of A. That's good, Bhuvan Kumar. Okay. Yes. C is a brother of A. I'm sorry for that. C is a brother of A. Male. B is daughter of A. That's good. England is sister of Chennai. England is sister of Chennai. And Delhi is sister of Bangalore. That's good. So these are siblings. These are siblings. These are siblings. This is daughter. So he's asking you, who is uncle of Delhi? Who is the uncle of Delhi? So uncle means what? My mother. This is my mother. Who is uncle? Mother's brother or mother's sister? So definitely uncle. Who is uncle of D? The answer is what? C. Are you understanding, everybody? What's the answer? C. Who is the uncle of D? Uncle of D is what? My mother's. These are children, mother. Are you understanding, everybody? Suppose he asks you, who is the aunt of D? Who is the aunt of D? Question is, who is the aunt of D? Who is the aunt of D? E. Who is the aunt of D? E is the aunt of D. How E? My mother's sister. Are you understanding, everybody? For example, I'm asking you, how is Agra? My question is, how is Agra related to Chennai?